One what?
You only have one side?
We only have one side, yeah. Are we ready for game 2?
Yeah.
Go ahead, man.
Annoying, man.
What's annoying?
I don't know what's wrong with me. I cannot do shit.
You cannot do shit. Right now, you cannot do shit.
Let me try.
Guys, these videos are for us. We're making these, listen, we're making these videos so that we can improve. Hey, hands. That was hands. There it is. I mean, how did, wait, time out. How did you get into a groove though? What happened?
What?
Hey, out of the street. Completely out of the street, come on. What happened? I mean, you got into a groove. What changed?
What groove?
You said you can't do shit, and then all of a sudden you did like a whole bunch in a row.
Why are you cussing?
No, I used to do like 43. My high school's 43.
What?
Okay, let's say that you're counting, right? The bump
I'm
is
not
to me,
counting.
so we're gonna keep on going. 42, okay?
Cleaner language, boys. Clean up our language. Good.
21, 22, 23, 20.
Yeah, one body, baby.
26,
Yep.
27, 28, 31, 32.
Ayman Hussein is
32,
filthy.
30,
I don't care what anybody says about this boy right here, man. What is it about you, Ayman?
I don't know.
Why are you actually a filthy athlete?
God.
Switch.
Give me water, bro.
I'm in.
You trying?
No.
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Let's do the ball staying up in the air.
You know me, man. It's,
Head it,
I'm old, bro. It takes me a while to get warmed
Ayman,
up,
head it.
dog. I need like an hour.
Head.
I need alone time before I play. Okay.
God damn it.
Good intent always,
I'm
boys.
winning. You know me, bro.
This is a game? Is this a game right here? Okay. What game? What's happening here though?
You just gotta have the heat on.
You got a what?
Hitting the ball with your head.
Okay,
And
go.
whoever can hit it.
Mhm.
Oh, geez. That tree.
I know. I'm scared of
Okay, we must protect the tree. Thank you. Okay. So I am worried about that tree. Thank
You like that tree, huh?
Every single thing here that's planted here is like important to me. Look, this garden. Every single one. Okay. Look, we can trade.
Oh, my bad.
Oh,
I said sorry.
bro, look.
Get that close-up view.
That one is better.
Lovely.
So how come you
Every
have
single
this?
thing is
how
different.
How come you have this and you don't have these on these ones?
Just because. You know what I'm saying? Variability. Basketball, Malik.
That's creepy as fuck.
Hey, come over here. I need you guys to test something out. Yes, come on out.
Oh,
Yes, this is, you are predicting the future. You're predicting the future. This is taking care of our pitch is what I call this. Taking care of our pitch. This is where we get creative and where child labor takes place. I love it. You missed the spot. Set it up back right over here where I had it. Hey, Malik. Alright. This is a basketball hoop. Right here. Shoot it into here. Go ahead. No.
I'm in. Let's do a challenge.
It's basketball. Go.
Let's do the challenge for the jacket.
With your leg?
This is the hoop right here. No, just like you're shooting it. Shooting it way too hard. No, touch. Just like lift it up. Yeah, but don't. Yeah, touch.
Let me try it.
Like only you were the one skinny enough to fit down in there. That's why we had to send you.
Yeah, I'm not good.
Got that?
Coach, look at this, bro.
You probably should
What?
put a
Got it. Okay.
Sticky.
Do you get it though? Do you get what I'm saying? Like, look. Okay. Ah, like that. Like, Do you have the control to hit it in here? See? Try again.
How's that hard?
You can do it as slow. Nice, Simon. Good.
Right here.
Nice. You see what I'm saying? There you go. There you go.
Alright,
is-
just use one ball.
It's a test of control. Nice. Go ahead. Oh, wow.
Let me try that. Let me try that right now.
Oh, you need more.
Hey, Coach, you know what I saw? Wait,
Try with a little bit more touch, Malik.
Who did that?
I did.
That's
What,
hella
the
filthy.
face?
Yeah.
It's not freaky?
Yeah, creepy.
It's creepy, huh?
Yeah.
Coach,
Yeah.
look, watch.
So I'm going for creepy.
Oh.
Right here, coach.
Try with a little bit more touch, Malik. With a little bit more lift. Slow. What if it was less of a...
Whoa!
Okay, what if it was less of a shot but more of like a hook shot? Okay.
Right here, buddy. Right here, buddy. What's this?
Try one-on-one with the white ball. This is for the jacket. Oh, for the jacket?
Yep.
Is this for the jacket? Ivan, is this for the jacket?
Yeah.
You guys shake on it. This is for
Well,
the
take off
jacket.
your
This is for the
cleats.
jacket.
I don't want to
Yeah,
get stepped on.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
for the jacket right here, man.
many goals?
This
How
is
many
legit
goals?
right here.
How many
This is-
goals?
We're playing for real.
How many goals?
Should we say 5?
No.
Yeah.
No, we gotta leave. We gotta leave.
Five.
Guys, what time is it? Hold on. Whoops. It is 2:30. 2:30. Okay, we have 15 minutes.
All right.
We got 15 minutes.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Let's go. Okay, wait. No, we're gonna do it by timer. Okay.
know, that's
Hey,
what I
okay.
was saying.
At 2:40,
First to 2:30.
whoever's winning at 2:40. Look, it's 2:34. All right, go. Timer's on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Second.
I'm pulling for the red team. Like, oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Good. And keep it fair. Keep it fair. I don't want injuries. I don't want injuries to occur. Okay, slow. I'd rather have slow. Okay, this is a place where we develop touch. This is where touch is developed. Okay. Oh, good. Nice. I'm in good. You're figuring it out. I got that.
It's my ball. Play in.
Leanne.
Play.
Yo. Oh shit.
Oh goddamn.
Hey, Hanad.
Coach.
Hey, we'll be there at 2:45.
2:45?
Yeah.
Where?
At your house.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Goddamn.
All right, bye. Hey, that's too hard, Malik. Way too hard. Too rough, guys. That's too rough. That's too rough.
Handball. That's hand. That's hand. That's hand.
Yeah.
That's hand.
See?
That's hand.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm gonna
Alright, get the ball.
I'm gonna say
Get the
play on because I like that play.
Alright, no, that play-
Iman figured out how to play this game.
Let's go.
Very good, Iman.
Coach, let's go.
It's a certain way of.
Even admit it.
Yes,
Go.
yes. You're just deflecting the ball into it. It's just a ball. It's not. Don't think so kicky. Yes, like that. Yes, this is more finesse. And touch. Good. Think about it. You could be more effective going slower. You may.
I know.
You could be. Yeah. See? He said he knows. This is just a chance for experimentation, boys. Just experimentation. Okay. It's very competitive, and it's 2:37. Let's see. What's the score right now?
1-0.
It's 1-0? Oh. There you go, Malik. There's never too late to get creative. Good use of creativity, though. This one.
Good, bro? Yeah.
Good. Aha. Now you're figuring it out. I like that.
I'll call a name for you. Zapato.
Okay. Cool. Yes, take care of that bush. That is one of my favorites right there. Oh.
Yeah. I'm getting the jacket today, bro.
Oh, using the environment. I like that. That's how I know Philippine martial arts. Oh my lord. Beautiful. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. I like it though. I like it. There's a game here, isn't there, fellas? Mm-hmm. Nice idea though. Good idea. You kind of have to post up in a way, huh? Oh, careful, boys. Careful. Oh my gosh. Playing to the limits. Tone it down a tad. Tone it down just a tad. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, try post up on him. Maybe you can back him down. Keep testing your opponent's limits. See what, make them have to prove things.
Oh.
Oh, is that not guarding? I like that creativity though, man. That's sick.
Yeah.
Right? You can do it, right?
Yeah.
Excellent, Iman, actually. You see, guys, when you really understand the rules of the game, what you can and cannot do, you'll be able to paint on the line. Oh! Tippy toe on the line. Oh! I should give Malik just credit. Oh! Malik got the heart award though, for real. Damn. Okay. It wasn't just conversation alone. It was heart as well that put this kid on the team, on the roster. And the timer is past a minute. That was even into stoppage time. I'm
get it.
insane. Congratulations. And Malik, good work though, man. Man, you guys. Hey.
Good game, good man.
You deserve it anyway.
Hey,
You deserve it. You deserve it.
I like that, fellas. Good work, man. I like that. Fun, huh?
Can we do it again?
No.
Like later?
Think about it, man. This is just a tip of the iceberg. Look, creativity is here for us to discover. All right, we can do anything we want to
Let
do.
me get my jacket.
Okay. Let's hold on. I'm gonna lock up. All right.
I know how bad you wanted it. I was just like, I tried at the same time though.
Yeah, Malik. That's Malik. Do you know what that is? That's honor. That is honor. You give your opponent the best. You know what I'm saying? For real.
Hanan and Short versus me and Iman.
I want to get my jacket.
Hey, we can make up more games. You know what I'm saying? You can have like 3-point contest. You can play horse.
Yeah. What the heck, Coach? What happened? You broke them, huh?
Yeah.
Who doesn't want to talk about it?
Somebody try to jack me.
Just what I got.
Let me get my water.
Yeah, man.
I need water for all these other.